What's the meaning of coffer? Coffer. Coffer.
Coffer. Coffer. Coffer is a noun that refers to a strong box or chest used for storing valuables, particularly money. It usually has a lock and is made of metal or wood. Coffers were commonly used in the past by individuals and institutions such as banks, churches and governments for safekeeping of valuables. They are still used today for various purposes including storage of cash registers, important documents and personal items. The word coffer also has another meaning which refers to a decorative ceiling panel with a sunken or recessed design, often seen in Gothic architecture.